This is day one of documenting my journey until I have a multi-million-dollar business. So a quick little introduction to who I am. My name is Danny. I'm 15 years old and I run a social media growth agency called Authentify Media, where we help creators and brands grow on social media and get monetized. So right now, I'm walking home. I'm going to the gym after school. We're gonna hit a nice pool day, and yeah, I'll see you there. And I'm trying to be as real as possible with all of you in these videos. I'm not trying to be some fake influencer guru. This is just gonna be straight up to the point, and I'll be sharing all the ups and downs. And I think we're gonna kill it. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the gym.
Baby girl, you know what I want. Let me do it to you, do it to you. Let me do you like
Alright everyone, we just left the gym and now we're going home. So yeah, we have a lot of things left to do. I have to edit some videos for some clients. I have to do a lot of outreaching, and I have to post on my own socials. And as well as that, I have to have a call with my business partner just to check in with him to see how everything's doing, because the more calls, I believe the more calls we have, the better we'll be doing, because we'll be able to analyze more. And yeah, as you guys can see, it's literally dark outside and it's only 5:20 p.m. and I'm also gonna eat dinner. As you guys can all tell, I just came out of the shower, my hair is wet, wearing different clothing, and now I'm about to hit a super intense work session that'll go until I eat dinner.
I'm crazy. I have to be crazy because that didn't just happen, right? This is a delusion. Is this a delusion? Shit.
That was a super amazing call. We did a lot of outreaching. We have a lot of big things coming, and one of them you'll be able to see in the Discord server. The link is in my bio. It's basically my free community for young entrepreneurs who are like-minded and want to improve themselves every single day. We have something big planned coming in there. As well as that, in terms of business, we have a lot of stuff planned as there. So everyone, this was my first vlog, and I hope you guys all enjoyed. So please make sure to comment down below and rate it out of 10 what you guys thought. And yeah, I'm gonna see if I'm gonna be able to post these weekly or monthly, and hopefully, if all goes well, I'll be able to keep going. So everyone, I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you guys in the next one.